The 2025 KTM 790 Adventure has been unveiled with a series of notable updates, including cosmetic changes and an upgraded suspension system designed to enhance both off-road performance and on-road comfort. While the bike retains its iconic Dakar rally-inspired design, it now features more modern graphics, giving it a fresh, updated look. A key upgrade for the 2025 model is the addition of adjustable 43mm WP Apex front forks and a WP Apex shock, both of which are borrowed from the KTM 890 Adventure. The front forks now come with split-function technology, which allows separate adjustments for compression and rebound damping on each fork leg. These adjustments are conveniently located at the top of the fork legs, making it easier for riders to fine-tune their setup to suit different riding conditions, from smooth highways to rugged off-road terrain. The rear WP Apex shock offers 200mm of travel and includes both a rebound damping adjuster and a remote preload adjuster, further improving customization for varied riding experiences. Additionally, the 2025 KTM 790 Adventure offers two seat height options, 840mm and 860mm, allowing for better rider comfort and versatility. The engine remains unchanged from the previous model, with the 799cc parallel twin liquid-cooled unit producing 94 brake horsepower and 87 Nm of torque, paired with a 6-speed gearbox. A new addition is the updated throttle bodies, now equipped with integrated NOx sensors, enabling the bike to run on lower-octane fuel without compromising performance. For enhanced riding control, the 2025 model introduces a rally mode, alongside the existing off-road setting, offering further optimization for dirt track riding. The bike is also equipped with both ABS and traction control for improved safety and handling. Weighing in at 209 kilograms without fuel, the 790 Adventure continues to be a highly capable and versatile option for adventure riders. With these updates, the 2025 KTM 790 Adventure positions itself as a top choice for riders looking for a balanced and customizable adventure bike suited to both challenging off-road trails and comfortable on-road cruising.